In this video tutorial, we will build a sample tool that allows collaborative drawing of diagrams over the network. The real-time data exchange as a technology is handled by SignalR, the ASP.NET library for real-time web functionality provided by Microsoft. We start by creating a new ASP.NET project in Visual Studio. We choose ASP.NET Web Application and the MVC template. From Tools New Get Package Manager, we start the Package Manager console. There we install the MindFusion diagramming library for ASP.NET MVC. Then we installed the SignalR package. In the app_start folder, we add a new Owen startup class and name it Owen Startup. There we add SignalR to the Owen pipeline by calling the respective method. In the Views folder, we open the index file and modify it. We add a reference to the diagram library. Then, we wire up diagram event handlers that will send change notifications to the hub. The event handlers are for node or link created or modified as well for text. Finally, we load the necessary diagramming script files. Now we must add a SignalR Hub class that will handle the communication between the server and all clients connected to it. We add the new class directly to the root folder and name it Diagram Hub. First, we add it to a node model class, which describes the properties of a node that must be provided in order to recreate the shape in all client browsers. There are the X and Y properties for location, width, height, ID, and text. We also need a reference to the JSON library. Since the diagram uses also links, we need a link model class as well. It contains the ID of the origin and destination nodes, its ID and text. With those classes ready, let's write the methods that will synchronize node and link creation and modification. We start with node created. And then I'll just paste the other methods since they are identical. Now let's add a new JavaScript file, which we already referenced in the index page, the collaborative diagramming.js file. Here we write the methods that will actually notify the SignalR Diagram Hub class that changes on the diagram have occurred. Let's look at the onNodeCreated method. There we gather the necessary data to create a node model, and then we raise the nodeCreated event. The other methods look similar. The methods for the diagram links create link model objects. We also need to take care of the notifications sent from the server to the clients. We use the received model objects to create or modify the respective diagram objects on the client side. When a link or node is modified, we must search for them. Here are the find node and find link object methods that search for the respective object by its ID. We also need to update the diagram reference when the diagram is loaded. With this, the sample application is ready and we will run it. Let's open several browser instances and see how it goes. Let's create a shape, add some text, create a new shape, and add text to it. Let's connect the shapes, add a third shape. Now let's change the text on the third shape and change the position of the first shape. It looks alright. The moment a user performs an action on the diagram, it is duplicated on all other clients. With this, our video tutorial ends. Thank you for watching and thank you for your interest in MindFusion developer tools.